Block ads in iPhone will stop the advertisement on apps, not web browsers, like offline games, contacts app, offline photo editing app and video editing. It saves the web resources, privacy protected and elimination bug system. Block game ads by turning off Wi-Fi and mobile data. The advertisements within an app rely on a data connection to be served. Without a data network, the code within the app cannot fetch the ads and show them. This leads to two interesting situations. Most apps will stop showing ads completely when there is no data network. In some cases, you'll see a big block of filled, empty rectangle in the places where the ad typically appears. This is an easy and quick way to block in-game ads on your iPhone. Disabling the internet also puts a pause on notifications that hinder your gameplay. Turn on airplane mode. Turn off internet for the particular game. Open Settings app and tap on Wi-Fi. Turn the toggle off for Wi-Fi. In the Settings app, tap on Cellular. Make sure the toggle for cellular data is on. Scroll down and under Cellular Data find the particular game or app. Turn the toggle off for this game. If you want to have a one-on-one free consultation, please visit britishdsire.com/elearning and register. Thank you.